Hey everyone, my name is Rob with DEWALT Anchoring and Fastening. Today we're going to walk through how to install the DEWALT Power-Bolt Plus heavy-duty sleeve anchors. Please note that this is not a substitute for the product instruction manual. All users of the product need to read the instruction manual prior to any installation of DEWALT anchoring systems. The first thing we'll discuss is personal protective equipment, known as PPE. Always wear all the appropriate ANSI or NIOSH rated PPE. Reference the DEWALT instruction manual as well as your company's safety guidelines to determine the appropriate PPE, depending on the tool, anchor, and application you'll be doing. When installing DEWALT anchors, it's important to always wear eye protection, gloves, and other PPE, and to use the proper dust extraction equipment. First, drill a hole into the base material with a rotary hammer drill and a carbide drill bit to the size and embedment depth required for the size of PowerBolt being used. The tolerances of the carbide drill bit, including hollow bits, must meet the ANSI standard B212.15. When drilling the dry base material, we recommend using the hollow drill bit and a DEWALT dust extractor. This is the DEWALT Dust X Plus extraction system, and it's going to eliminate any further hole cleaning. If not using the DEWALT Dust X Plus extraction system, use suction or forced air after drilling to extract any loose particles created by drilling. Now, ensure the cone is snug uniformly under the expansion wedge, sometimes referred to as the clip. The clip fingers should be overlapping the anchor cone prior to installation using the retention nut. To set the anchor, drive the anchor through the fixture and into the hole. Be sure that the anchor is driven to the minimum required embedment depth based on the anchor you'll be using. Finally, tighten the anchor with a torque wrench by applying the required installation torque for the diameter of anchor being used. That's it. You're ready to install DEWALT Power-Bolt Plus anchors.